Toshiba is releasing their most terrifying appliance in the galaxy, the FREEZA Fridge. Vegeta, what does his power level say?
It's over 9,000!
BTUs per hour! It features 5 cooling forms, each colder than the last. And now, introducing its new final form, Golden FREEZA Burn. Of course, this isn't Toshiba's first appliance in the Dragon Ball Home collection. There's the Vegeta Fridge, the prince of all refrigerators. And other Toshiba classics like the Krillin Rice Cooker, reliable but cracks easily under pressure. The Majin Buu Microwave, turns everything into candy. The Piccolo Air Purifier, removes 99.9% of pure evil. And their top seller, the Yamcha Floor Mat. It just lies there.